Hello children, welcome to the class standard 7 subject computer chapter 1. Chapter 1 is Microsoft Access 2010 part 1. What is the database and database software? A database is the collection of information which is related to a particular topic like students' information, sports details, library data, etc. A list of students' details like name, general register number, birth date, standard, etc. are prepared by a class teacher is also called database. The database is the collection of information, not only the details that the teacher collects, even at home, the household expenses that your mother write and the diaries is also called one type of database. The software that allows to store and manipulate the data is known as database management software, DBMS. According to Excel, database is a collection of different objects like table, form, query, report, etc. So here is just to go through it. Table is the basic unit of database, and it has it's divided into rows and columns. And important things to be noted: the columns are known as fields of table, and rows are known as records of table. Then form. The form is used to enter data. Query is a question asked to the data stored in a table. Report. A report is an output process of a database. Using a report, you can print your data in an organized and attractive way. To take out the report that we have entered all the details, that is a report. We can take print out of the details. Creating Access database. Start Access by double clicking on the Microsoft Access 2010 in the icon on the desktop, or select Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Access. It is to start the program, and it is the basic view of the program. And you have toolbar is the quick access toolbar, contextual tab, file name, control button, just to go through it. Then we have different parts of access screen are explained: navigation pane, document pane, status bar. Just to have a rating, I don't think much explanation is needed. Before creating a table in Access, you should know the meaning of and importance of field. Field name, data type, and primary key. Field name. A field name is the column heading, and it can be name, address, birth date, result, email, etc. Data type. Data type decides what type of values can be entered in the field. So these two are very important. These are the data type given: memo, number, date, time, currency, auto number, yes and no, OLE object, hyperlink. Just to go through it, you will understand. I don't think much explanation is necessary. Remaining text, just to go through it. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Now straight away we will go to the question answer part. Exercise. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate option. 1. Dash is a database software. Access. 2. A dash is a collection of related information. Database. 3. Dash is the basic unit of database. Table. 4. Column of access table is known as dash. Field. A dash provides the data satisfying the criteria. Query. 6. A dash is the output process of database. Report. 7. Dash view is used to create and modify table structure. Design. 8. The default file name of Access database is dash database 1. 9. Sort and filter group is on dash tab. Home. 10. Book price can be defined as dash data type. Currency. 11. We can store maximum dash characters in the text field. 255. 12. Dash data type is used to store email address. Hyperlink. 13. Dash key is used to uniquely identify record. Primary key. 15. Rather 14. The navigation pane can be opened or hide using dash button. Shutter bar. 15. A table can be viewed in dash different ways. 4. Next is true or false. 1. Access is not a relational database management software. False. 2. Report is the basic unit of access. False. 3. Form is used to enter data in a table. True. 4. There are 5 ways to create a table. False. 5. A field name is the column heading in Access. True. 6. Description is compulsory information to create a table. False. 7. Memo data type can store only 255 characters. False. 8. You cannot change the currency symbol in Windows 7. False. 9. You can write any number in an auto number type of field. False. 10. It is not compulsory to create a primary key in Access table. True. 11. Different view buttons are on the status bar of Access. True. 12. Navigation pane shows the database object on different tabs. True. Now let us see question answers. Number 1. What is a database? Answer. A database is a collection of information which is related to a particular topic like students' information, sports details, library data, etc. A list of students' details like name, GR number, birth date, standard, etc. prepared by your class teacher is also called a database. Next, question number 2. Explain text and memo data type. Text data type is used to store textual information which includes alphabets, digits, symbols, blank space, etc. Name, address, postal code, book ID, surname, etc. can be defined as text data type. You can store maximum 255 characters in text data type of field. This is also answer for 3.2. Memo data type is used to store descriptive information which may be more than 255 characters. Remarks, book review, comments, etc. can be defined as memo data type. You can store more than 64,000 characters in a memo data type of field. Next is question number 3. How to enter date in a date time field? Answer. Date time data type is used to store date and time. It gives a drop down box from which you can select proper date. You may enter date manually also. Joining date, birth date, recess time, etc. can be defined as date time data type. Next, number 4. Name the different objects of Access database. Answer. According to Access, a database is a collection of different objects like table, form, query, report, etc. Next is number 5. what is the use of navigation pane? Answer: navigation pane is useful to easily view and access all your database objects. All the tables, forms, queries and reports are displayed here, and you can open them just by double clicking on it. Next is number 6. Name and explain the different columns of table design view. Answer: a field name is the column heading, and it can be name, address, birth date, result, email, etc. It is the common name for the information we are going to enter under it. Next question is, what is the use of OLE data type? Answer: this data type is used to store picture, music and other multimedia components in a database. OLE stands for object linking and embedding. Student photo, specimen, sign, voice, samples, etc. can be defined as OLE data type. Next question is, what is primary key? What is its importance? Answer: a primary key is a unique field which is used to identify particular record. A primary key makes searching of any record very easy, as its value is unique and does not repeat in the same table. Next question is, name the different views of a table. Answer: the right side of the status bar shows 4 views button. 1. Data sheet view. 2. Pivot table view. 3. Pivot chart view. 4. Design view. Next question, how to sort the access table data? The answer: a table can be sorted using following methods. Right click anywhere on the column which you want to sort and select sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. Click anywhere on the column which you want to sort and select ascending or descending from the sort and filter group of Home tab. Next question is, what is document tab? The answer: you can observe the document tab on the right side of the navigation pane. Document tab shows the database objects as different tabs. You can close any tab by clicking on the close button on the right side. Next question is, how to create access database? The answer: start access by double clicking the Microsoft Access 2010 icon on the desktop, or by selecting start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Access 2010. Question 4, 5, 6 are practical exercises that is to be done in the computer. That will be told to you later, and these are the question answers that we given, and write them in a notebook, learn them, and with this the first lesson got over. Any doubt, you can call me at any time. Thank you.